Hello friends, today I am going to talk about advanced hydrafacial or hydrafacial along with oxygenio treatment. So in this first step is to deep cleanse the skin. First we clean the skin to remove any makeup or any impurities on the skin, and when we clean the skin, after that when we start doing the facial, all the serums which we use will be easily and deeply absorbed in the skin. For this we use a cleansing lotion depending on the skin type, and we also use a mild scrub. Next step is microdermabrasion. Microdermabrasion removes the dead skin from the top layer, that is the epidermis, and it cleanses the pores, removes any blackheads and whiteheads. It increases the collagen production as well. We use a diamond tip for this, which is a very good abrasive. Next step is to apply a brightening serum on the face. After that, we use the exfoliation probe of oxygenofacial machine, and we move it on the skin surface with a gentle pressure. It causes exfoliation of the skin and oxygenation of the skin at the same time. It provides oxygen to the skin, so proper oxygenation of the cells of the skin of face results in brightening of the skin and glowing skin. Plus, at the same time, it causes exfoliation of the dead skin. Next step is hydration of the skin. This we do by using the hydration probe of Hydrafacial machine. We use the serum depending upon the skin type. There are different serums used for dry skin, oily skin, or the combination skin. The serums hydrate the skin deeply and nourish the skin deeply by using the pressure of the vortex mechanism on the probe. Next step is to apply a serum on the face depending on the skin type. We use different serums like pomegranate serum, vitamin C serum, glycolic acid serum depending on what is the skin type we are working with. Then we use this scrubber handle of the Hydrafacial machine. It deep cleanses the skin, and whatever whiteheads, blackheads and dead skin has come up, it removes them with pressure. It also increases the micro blood circulation of the skin. Now I'm applying vitamin C serum on the skin. Vitamin C is basically used for glowing skin and removing any sunspots or skin spots, pigmentation, or uneven skin tone. Now I'm using the ultrasound probe of Hydrafacial machine. It will help in deep absorption of the vitamin C serum. Plus, it will also give ultrasonic waves into the skin, which will heat up the skin and it will induce collagen production. Now, collagen is responsible for the elasticity and springiness and plumpiness of the skin. So, when the collagen will boost, it will cause tightening of the skin and removal of any fine lines and wrinkles. Now I'm using RF or radio frequency handle of the Hydrafacial machine. This increases the microcirculation to the skin and also causes skin tightening. Now I'm using cold hammer probe of Hydrafacial machine. This soothes the skin and it calms the skin down. If there is any redness or any inflammation or any heat caused by the facial, so it will soothe down the skin. Now I'm using LED light treatment. There are different lights like red, blue, green depending on the need of the skin. They have different functions like brightening of the skin, reducing the inflammation of the skin, reducing the pigmentation of the skin and skin spots, and also reducing fine lines and wrinkles. And that's how advanced Hydrafacial is done at Carve and Sculpt Clinic to give a clean, hydrated and refreshed skin. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked it.